Alright guys, today we're going to be showing you how to 3D print your own fishing lures using a 3D printer and a computer. First you're going to need flash print. That's what you're going to be using to
if you have a
print them.
flash printer.
That depends what 3D printer you have.
So you come in here, and then you go into load.
That's after you open up your flash print.
Go into downloads. So we're going to be printing this one.
And you download all these files. Yeah, then after you put that file on a thumb drive, you're going to want to come over here, plug it into there. And that's going to download your file onto here. And hit build, go to thumb drive.
And then we have all these files.
These are all our files. These are the lures we printed. A couple of those are just tests. That crankbait we actually used one time on the pond. It actually worked pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and print those now.